Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick follow-up on the Maskcara Makeup review that I did a couple weeks ago. So many of you guys reached out and you were asking me if I liked it, what I thought about it, as a non-sales mascara salesperson, just as a consumer. So I ended up getting better highlight colors for myself. I also tried playing around with primer and a setting spray, which I've never used before. I actually love it. Just to use on my face as a really quick everyday makeup with a primer and setting spray and the revised highlight color that actually matches my skin tone. It's really, really amazing. I will say, after I started using it the first time, I was breaking out and I felt like I didn't get a rash, but it wasn't like pimples, but it was just irritation and everything. And that lasted for about I would say a week. But also our weather here in Maryland was really, really cold. So it could have been just a combination of extremely dry, cold weather, because now that it's warmed up a bit and I've been using that primer and the new colors, it hasn't given me any breakouts. I just wanted to update you guys on that and let you know that I was really, really enjoying it. It's been my go-to for the past 2 weeks straight. Now that I'm using that primer, it blends so much easier. Again, I was not a huge fan of a primer before. I never really saw the benefit in it when I was using a liquid foundation, but when I put it on and then put this cream on top, it goes on really smooth. It blends really, really easily, and then adding the setting spray, it just kind of lasts all day. So I'm going to do a quick application, show you what it looks like with the new color, and yeah, that's it. So the primer that I got was the POREfessional Pearl Primer. I had used the POREfessional before, but not the pearlized one, and I really, really like it. It goes on really smooth, it smells really, really good. And I just got this at Ulta. I think it was $13 for this 7.5 milliliter. It's really small. This is the size, Pore Perfect, and it's the new Pearl Primer. I say it's new, it's not new. It's probably been around forever, but it's new to me. So let's see. I do a pea size amount, and my mirror is here, so I'm gonna have to look back and forth. I guess I don't really need to look. I put the primer on. And I always do the pore minimizing primers because I have huge pores. And you're probably not supposed to primer your whole face. I don't know exactly where primer is supposed to go. I just do that, and it's fine. Okay. Okay, again, this is the case. Very cute. If you ordered 4 compacts, or if you fill up the case, you got a free case with the mascara. The prices were really reasonable. I think they were $14 a piece. And then I got DELILAH. I'm not going to be able to remember the name, so I'm going to have to take them out. They're magnetic, so they just pop right in. For the Illuminator, I got Pearl. The new highlight is Amber. And the contour, which I just gouged with my fingernail trying to get it out to look at the back to see the name, is Olive. So that looks really nasty, but it's all underneath my fingernails. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put my hair up. The brush that I got was the detail brush. It's got a very small side and then this angled top side. I like the angled top side for the contour. I wish that I got the 30-second hack brush because it looked like both sides were bigger, and this is just, it's kind of small for blending. It obviously would be good for detail, and then I just use my finger for the illuminate, which you're probably not supposed to do, but it works for me. So again, for whatever reason, the new highlight that I just got is much creamier, and I don't know if it has to do with the temperature in the room now that it's warmer outside, or if it was just a different batch. All I do is just paint it on like this. Don't go too close to your eye because it'll get all caked up there, and then it's hard to get blended. So I just paint it all on like this, and then I use circular motions to blend it up closer to my eye and around my cheek, on my nose. And again, I wish I had a bigger, I wish I got the 30-second half brush. But all the professionals were like, I like the detail brush the best. I don't know why. Put a little right here. A little, oh, that was a lot. Also, the lighting is really bad in here. We're in a hotel in California right now. Blend, blend, blend. Okay.
Should I do space buns?
Yeah, I can do your buns.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm going to go in to the dark color. It's the contour. I'm gonna brush it. Now, normally I would have to brush really hard, but since I just like gouged it and put big chunks on there, I'm scared.
Are you gonna wear that to the museum?
Oh, this is my pajamas.
No, the makeup.
Yes. Why?
Okay.
Look weird?
Now, it's just when you're putting it on, it's like, you're doing so much, and I'm like, and I'm wondering, how are we gonna get all that stuff off? Like,
Put a
all
stripe like that,
Put some on me, put some on me.
and then a stripe. So you look at the natural highlight of your cheekbone. That's what the directions said. When I got these two new colors, they actually came with directions this time. Whereas my first order, for whatever reason, didn't come with directions. Okay, and then I like to blend it like up in a circular motion because it's cream, and I found that if I like drag it down, sometimes it blends it down, and I'd rather it go up than down. Again, this lighting is really bad, so I can't exactly see what I'm doing. I have to like this lighting is a little bit better. Oh, lost myself. I might have to check a different mirror. I'm kind of doing this blind. So then go around like the hairline, so you're making your face look like a sphere. So hairline, and I'm probably, hello.
Hello. How about you go in the bathroom and do it?
Oh, the bathroom lighting was even worse because it was like
yeah.
a spotlight shining down, causing major shadows. So then you take the contour, the dark color, and you're gonna do either side of your nose, and I like to do it with my finger. So I just get like a little tiny bit on my finger and then go down. Basically you're adding shadows where shadows would naturally be. Okay. The next place you do it is your jawline. I specifically need help here because I have a huge turkey gobbling neck. So you want to make a shadow, really make your jawline pop, and then
I wouldn't put it that way.
blend it down.
I wouldn't say you have a turkey gobbling neck.
No?
No. I'd say you just have a normal neck, like a normal person.
Well, that's sweet. Okay. And then blend that down. This is going to be a surprise for me when I go look in the regular mirror, in the regular lighting, to see how this worked out.
Looks like my skin.
Okay. Then I will take my finger that is not clean, rub the Pearl Illuminator, and that is like right here. You can put your finger on that, yeah. It's supposed to be like the highlight, extra special, right up and down the center, keep trying to look in the viewfinder when I could really just look right here. Like the center of the nose.
Yeah, you should just.
And then some people put it like right here, which I don't know why I bother because I put my eyeshadow on, it's probably just gonna cover it up. But all right, there's that. Oh, and then the blush. I could use a blush brush, but I really just use this, and then I hope for the best, meaning that I hope that all the contour's off of it. So just do this. Now this blush is a little bit firmer.
More firm. Firmer isn't a word.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure firmer.
I think firmer is a word.
Firmer.
So no. Just do this. I also blend that up. These colors look so crazy, but when you put them on, it's really not bad. It's crazy. I didn't. Oh, that's kind of a lot of blush. I didn't think I was gonna like it. That blush is so pink, but I ended up loving it.
Well, it's like a peach.
It's
It
really.
looks hot pink.
It looks hot pink to me, but
It
when you
looks
put it
hot
on,
pink, but when you put it on, it's like dark, like skin color.
yeah, it's not bad. It's they got good pigment. These things got good
Well, I
pigment.
know why it's so dark because they added like so much on there.
So that's that. You can also use this as lip color,
Yeah, I do.
which I did the first time,
Mm.
and I was like, no way. But it grew on me, and I like it now. Okay. Next, I'm gonna put on my eyebrows.
And next, I'm going to do her hair while she does
I
her
use
makeup.
the Brow Wiz by Anastasia, and it's I guess I use a lot of it because it doesn't really last me a super long time, maybe like a couple months, but I do use it every day. Like I feel like even if I don't put makeup on, if I just put on my eyebrows, I feel like I look so much better. Oh, this is nice. Did you just steal my hair tie?
No.
And again, this would go much faster if I was just at my regular mirror, but you know how bad hotel lighting is. I think I just gave myself a unibrow.
A unibrow?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
We're going to the Science Center today for school. Oakley has Saturday school.
Yeah.
But it will be fun because it's a dog exhibit.
Yes.
And I'm
we're gonna
really
watch
excited.
A 3D movie where the dogs pop out of the TV and it looks like you're actually there.
So that will be really fun. Okay, I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs palette that I got
But the maid's broken.
from a site called Influencer.
Yeah, and
where
then
they
the
like send you stuff. And I'm going to use the color Infamous.
And then the maid's broke it.
Oh,
Don't say it.
oh, it's fine.
And they broke the black. They dropped it and then it went everywhere. And they didn't clean it. That would just went a big mess. And then they stole my thing. Yesterday. Wow.
Okay. So that's
Day
that.
before yesterday, actually. Big.
And then for lip liner, I'm going to use this matte lip liner by NYX in the color London.
Can I have a Jolly Rancher? Excuse me? Can I have a Jolly Rancher, please?
There we go.
The one I got in the cup.
It's, oh, I always forget this. So I just got this Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. It smells really good. It's like coconut or something. I want to get an aerosol because I watched a couple girls using this and they said like it's like splattery when you use the liquid spray, and I agree. Like it feels like it's not like a uniform mist. Like I try to get it and it's like splotches, and also close your eyes because I got it in my eye and it burned really bad. So I tried to do like a mist and then put my face on it, but
I'm gonna put it in. I'm pretty sure the makeup's gonna start running down your face now.
no, that's like it's supposed to make it. It's supposed to like make it stay longer so it doesn't run. Close your eyes. Doesn't it smell good? So this is Ulta Dewy makeup setting spray. I liked the dewy look for summer. I felt like it went with this kind of makeup. I didn't know if I would want to do like matte with this cream makeup.
It smells like when you have like the like.
It was cheap too. It was only a few dollars.
The popsicle, and you suck on it. It smells like when I'm at the pool and I suck on it, and I'm like, it smells.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below what you want me to review
And
or if you have any questions. Okay, thanks. Bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe.